Today we will be discussing 10 tips and tricks for developing discipline and achieving your goals. Set clear and specific goals for yourself means establishing a clear and defined objective or outcome that you want to achieve. This helps to focus your efforts and give direction to your actions. For example, instead of setting a general goal of losing weight, a specific goal would be to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising for 30 minutes a day and eating a balanced diet. This type of goal is more measurable and achievable, which increases the likelihood of success. Create a plan of action to achieve those goals. Creating a plan of action to achieve your goals is the process of outlining the steps you will take to reach your desired outcome. A plan of action should be specific, measurable, and include a timeline for completion. It should also be realistic and achievable within the given time frame. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks is a strategy for making big objectives more manageable and achievable. By breaking a larger goal into smaller, more manageable tasks, you can focus on one task at a time, making the overall goal less overwhelming. Hold yourself accountable by tracking your progress and adjusting your plan as needed. It helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments along the way. Tracking your progress means regularly monitoring your progress towards your goals. This can be done through various means, such as keeping a journal, using a tracking app, or setting up a system of check-ins with an accountability partner. Adjusting your plan as needed means being flexible and adaptable in your approach. It means being able to recognize when things aren't working and making changes to your plan to get back on track. Eliminate distractions and make a dedicated time and space for focused work. It is an essential step in achieving your goals. Distractions can come in many forms, such as social media notifications, email alerts, phone calls, or even noise and interruptions from other people. When you are trying to focus on a task, these distractions can make it difficult to stay on task and complete your work in a timely manner. Creating a dedicated time and space for focused work means setting aside specific blocks of time for working on your goals and creating an environment that is conducive to concentration and productivity. Using positive self-talk and visualization to build motivation and confidence is a powerful way to achieve your goals. Positive self-talk is the practice of speaking positively to yourself, using phrases such as "I can do this" or "I am capable of achieving this." This helps to build confidence and motivation by changing the way you think and feel about yourself and your abilities. Visualization is a technique where you imagine yourself achieving your goals. This can be done by creating a mental image of what you want to achieve or by visualizing yourself in the process of achieving it. Reward yourself for small wins and progress made towards your goals. It is a way to celebrate and acknowledge the progress you are making and to give yourself a sense of accomplishment. When you reward yourself, it can be something small, like treating yourself to a cup of coffee, or something bigger like taking a day off or buying something you've been wanting. The important thing is that the reward should be meaningful to you and something that you will look forward to earning. Setting small rewards along the way helps to keep you motivated, as you will have something to look forward to as you make progress towards your goals. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your efforts towards discipline. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your motivation, attitude, and overall success. Having a support system of people who believe in you and are supportive of your goals and efforts can provide you with the encouragement and motivation you need to stay on track and achieve your goals. They can offer positive feedback and constructive criticism, which can help you to stay focused and make progress towards your goals. On the other hand, being surrounded by people who are negative, critical, or unsupportive can have a detrimental effect on your motivation and attitude. It can be hard to stay motivated and focused when you feel like you're not getting the support you need. Be kind to yourself, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. It's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, and setbacks and slip-ups are a normal part of the process of achieving your goals. Rather than being hard on yourself, it's important to be kind, and being too hard on yourself makes staying motivated and focused on your goals harder. Instead, be kind to yourself and acknowledge that mistakes happen. Reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. Use the experience as a learning opportunity and move on. And remember to be patient with yourself. Progress takes time, and it's okay to go at your own pace. Remember that discipline is a habit that takes time to develop. Be patient with yourself. Discipline is a learned behavior that takes time and practice to develop. It cannot be acquired overnight, so it's important to be patient with yourself as you work on developing this habit. As you work on developing the habit of discipline, it's important to start small and set realistic goals for yourself. This will help you to build momentum and create a sense of progress, which can be motivating. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.